Hi, my name is Hovington. Welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to do a review of the Starbond CA glue products. So before we get started, I want to do a full disclaimer. Starbond did send me their product after exchanging emails. They expressed the interest that they would like to send me their product for me to test in my shop. So I've been going around in my shop for about a month and a half now, testing out their product. This is basically my review. So what they sent me is the accelerator. They did send me a medium thick brown, which you can see the box is unopened because I haven't really found any use for it in my shop, unless if I work with maybe spalted maple, I might actually use that for like void fills or whatever. But what I was mostly interested in was the medium viscosity and the super thin viscosity, because those are the glues that I use the most in my shop. So first off, with the medium viscosity one, what I tried it on was to do a finish on a pen. So with turning pens, often we use a CA glue, medium thickness, to do the finish, and this one worked out really well. It did a great finish. Really happy on how it looks, nice and shiny. So I would definitely recommend that if you're looking for a wood turning kind of finish with CA glue. Now in all the boxes, as you can see here, you get two applicators and you get the glue itself, but there's also micro tips. So I didn't really use the micro tips when I was working to do the finish on the CA glue, but in regards to the woodworking that I do here, making musical instruments, I do inlays in my work. Mother of pearl inlay, abalone, and in this case I was doing a black mother of pearl inlay, and I didn't want to do it right away on the instrument, so I kind of did it on a separate piece here, as you can see, and I wanted to test out the product before it goes on the instrument, because if it was not up to par to what I was looking for, I didn't want to have this onto the instrument. So I'm happy to let everybody know that this will actually be going onto the instrument here, and moving forward I will most likely use those glues more often. I really like how the micro tip helped me put all the piece of the inlay together without flooding the whole piece and me having to clean up. Like, that's usually an issue I have with the other types of glue that don't come with those micro tips. If you're somebody that use micro tips a lot, Starbond actually have them in packages, like you can buy them separate if you already have the glue but you ran out of micro tips. In regards to how strong the bond was, doing a lot of inlay, I've seen from time to time with different glues that the bond would break. I didn't have any issues with that. I actually dropped this flower pattern on the ground, straight on the concrete in my shop here, and it stayed all together, which was really surprising. That's before it was actually inlaid in the wood. Another test that I did with this is my wife's piano had a key to be reinstalled after it popped off. So what I did, I used the accelerator onto one side of the key, and then I used the super thin onto the actual location where the key was going to go back. And then I did a quick kind of instant glue up, which the accelerator accelerate the glue, and hasn't budged. It's been about a couple of weeks since I fixed it. So I'm really happy on how that performed as well. So in conclusion, I'm really happy with the product. Like I said, I've been testing it for about a month and a half, so it's not something I received and I did a video right away. If you follow me on my channel, you know I would not recommend something that I don't like. So for me, I'm doing the switch. This is basically what I'm going to be using moving forward with my build. If you're interested to looking into it for your own shop, I will leave a link down in the description. If you do buy anything, don't forget to use the promo code Tommy10. This will give you 10% off of your purchase. Also gives me a kickback, which helps the channel. So I would be very appreciative of that. And that 10% applies for every product on their website. It's not limited to what you just seen here. So I want to thank you all for stopping by again. Enjoy your time in your shop, and until next time, I wish you well.